Okay, welcome to the channel once again. This is one attempt to uh, let all know how to create a Angular project from the beginning using Visual Studio's code editor, and then you can even go ahead and wave host it without any cost. And if you need a particular domain name, then probably you'll have to pay a minimal cost to link it. But without that, also you can go ahead and make your website available on the internet. So I'll just go into Visual Studio's code, and then I have already downloaded a sample project. So I'll just show how do we connect to the sample project and what are steps that we need to take to make it running and debugging. So let's say I have already downloaded this project, Scientific Indian. So I'm just opening it. So once it is open, you will see, uh, you know, the welcome screen like this. So what you can do is go into the terminal, click on the terminal here, come here, and then the first step is download and install all dependencies. So for that, you can say npm install. Okay, once you fire this command, it will automatically download and install all dependencies required for that project. So step 1, download a project, a sample project from the internet, and link it to your VS Code. Step 2, npm install. Post the installation is done, you can do a ng build to compile or build the project. Okay, now it's getting compiled. So post compilation, there is a simple step which will make your project available in your local host to uh, go and check in your one machine if everything is fine in your project or any debugging is required. So post this, I'll show you that, and simultaneously you can go into Firebase, create your login ID, and upload this project using some basic commands of Firebase like Firebase login, Firebase deploy to make your project available in the internet. So next is ng serve. So I'm not taking you to the Angular project details because that will make it more complex. Probably I'll have subsequent videos to make things simpler for somebody, learning Angular and trying to come up with a good website. But this is just for making your first project run. So if you see now, it's starting to run. Okay, so once you compile it successfully, you will see this kind of URL which is available. You can go to your uh, browser and say, okay, now your website is up and running, right? Next step is you can even go back, say Firebase. I'm already logged in. If you're not logged in, you can say for Firebase login, and then you can say Firebase deploy. So this will deploy your code to Firebase engine. But before this step, you have to make sure you have created the required project inside Firebase by logging into Firebase. Okay, so if you see, even post it is made live. I've given you a link. You can go and check this link if it is up and running. So all fine. Thanks for watching this video.